Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest Windows tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into how to get to Windows Control Panel in 2025. Whether you're a Windows 11 user or have upgraded to the newest version, the Control Panel is still your go-to hub for tweaking system settings, managing hardware, and customizing your PC. It's super handy for things like adjusting display options or uninstalling programs, but with evolving interfaces, it might not be as obvious as before. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, let's start with the easiest method, using the Start menu. Click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, type Control Panel into the search bar that pops up. As you type, you'll see it appear in the results. Go ahead and click on it to open. Boom, you're in. If you're a keyboard shortcut fan, here's a quicker way. Press the Windows key plus S to open the search bar, then type Control Panel and hit Enter. Simple as that. Another classic method is using the Run dialog. Press Windows key plus R, type Control into the box, and press Enter. This one works like a charm on most Windows versions, including the 2025 updates. Now, if you're coming from the Settings app, which is more modern, you might notice Control Panel is being phased out in some areas. But don't fret. In Settings, go to System, and look for options that link back to Control Panel, or just use the search function there to find it directly. One quick tip. If you can't find it, make sure your Windows is up to date, as Microsoft sometimes tweaks accessibility. If it's still hidden, you can always right-click the Start button and select Run to access it that way. There you have it. Multiple ways to get to Windows Control Panel in 2025. It's all about making your PC work for you. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.